Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know it is time to change your transmission filter? The first sign that you know that it is time to change your transmission filter is number one, you're getting poor gas mileage, and number two, when you accelerate and it feels like your vehicle don't want to go and the struggle to take off, that could be a sign that your transmission filter is starting to clog. If you don't change your transmission filter, there'll be a buildup of sediments and metal particles and dirt clogging the transmission filter. As you can see, there's a lot of metal shaving on this magnet. That is why it is important to change your transmission filter on time. If you don't change your transmission filter on time and is way overdue for replacement, it can actually start to affect the shift solenoid. So when the transmission filter is not changed on time, this can cause dirt and metal particles to float inside the transmission fluid, and eventually it can clog the shift solenoid passage. When the shift solenoid passage becomes clogged, it can cause all sorts of transmission issues. For example, you may notice delay shifting, erratic shifting, the transmission may start to slip, and so on. The reason why you have to change the transmission filter on time is because this magnet right here does not always catch all the metal particles inside the transmission fluid. In fact, if you look at this filter and you wipe your finger across it, there's a lot of metal particles on it. If your transmission filter is extremely clogged, this can cause poor lubrication. And when components such as the valve body don't get properly lubricated, this can cause all sorts of issues. It can cause shift issue, it can cause delay shifting, it can cause hard shifting, and it can even start to make noise. For example, it can start to make knocking noise or clunking noise at low speed. And if you start to hear whining noise or whirring noise, that might be your transmission front pump making noise caused by poor lubrication, again caused by a clogged transmission filter. Sometimes it is important to change the transmission filter even if it's not due yet. For example, if you check the transmission fluid and it looks like strawberry milkshake, that's because it got contaminated. For example, coolant found its way into the cooling system and coolant started to mix with the transmission fluid. That's why it started to look like strawberry milkshake. And the reason why it looks like strawberry milkshake is because most likely the transmission cooler failed. For some vehicle, the transmission cooler and the radiator is built together as one assembly. And when the radiator or the cooler fail, this can cause coolant and transmission fluid to mix together. So at that point, it is important to change the transmission filter and the transmission fluid, and you might have to do a fuel drain and refill. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.